Sharanam and Namaste to you all. It's our great pleasure to announce that our organization Panchajanya Bharadam has taken the responsibility to start Ramayanam recitation under the name and style of Karkadam special during Ramayana Masam. Importance of Ramayana Masam. Ramayana Masam in Kerala is observed in the Malayalam month of Karkadam. This year the Ramayana Masam begins from today and ends on August 16th. Since it is the last month in the Malayalam calendar, we Malayalis pray Maryada Purushottam Sri Rama to bless his shower on us to start the next year with good health and prosperity. Due to heavy rain, the month is referred to as the month of scarcity. The word of our nature's fury, the epic is read in traditional Hindu houses by Hindu organization and in temples dedicated to Lord Vishnu. As per Malayalam Almanac, new ventures and auspicious functions are not held during this month. The Amavasi day in the Karkadam month is dedicated to the dead ancestors, and Hindus perform special pujas on this day. A pilgrimage to the temples dedicated to the Lord Rama and his brothers is also undertaken in Ramayana Masam. The holy book of Ramayana is one of the most widely read epics in India, and the book Ramayanam is one of the most favorable and important granthas are as knowing in India. Needless to mention here that Lord Rama was born in Ayodhya, the capital of Koshala, on the bank of Sarju river as the son of Dashratha, a king of Ishwanku dynasty in Ayodhya. Valmiki records the birth of Rama as Chitra Sudha Navami 9 on Purnavasu Nakshatra, when 5 planets were in exalted position. As per the planetary position, Dr. P.V. Vartak came to the conclusion that Lord Rama was born on December 4, 7323 BC. It is the literally masterpiece of sage Valmiki which reflects Indian ethos and values, and it portrays the divine birth, childhood and young age of Rama. It is the literally masterpiece of sage Valmiki's Granthas and very famous book of Hindu religion. He composed Ramayana in Sanskrit shlokas in 32 syllable and Anustup meter. These verses are grouped into chapters called Sargas, and Sargas are further grouped into Khandas. It consists of 24,000 verses and is divided into 7 Khandas that deal chronologically with the major event in the life of Rama, such as Balkand, Ayodhya Kand, Aranya Kand, Kishkinda Kand, Sundara Kand, Yuddha Kand and Uttarakhanda. The name Ramayana was derived from 2 books, Rama and Ayana, which means Rama's journey of virtue, the Iliad voice. Ramayana contains the teaching of ancient Hindu sages and presents them through allegory. The epic enjoys immense popularity, where its recitation is considered as an act of great merit. Lord Rama becomes the prototype of harmonious and just kingdom to which all kings should aspire. Rama and Sita set the ideal of conjugal love. Rama's relation to his father Dashratha is the ideal of filial love. Again, needless to mention here that Sampurna Ramayana, but in short we can say Ramayana, as per the epic, Rama is deprived from the kingdom of Ayodhya, to which he is heir to King Dashratha. Many of the translations into vernacular languages are themselves works of great literary value, including of Malayalam version of Throughout North India, the events are enacted in an annual pageant, the Ram Leela, and it is also celebrated as Bharat Milap at Varanasi during this month. Ramayana was popular even during the Mughal period, 16th century. Ramanama, there are 2 powerful Tadka namas, Om and Rama. All mantras have to be prefixed with Om for obtaining the benefits of those mantras, whereas there is no need of prefix Om when the name Rama is recited. Lord Parmeshwara says that by chanting Ramanama thrice, one can obtain the benefit of having chanted the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu. The verse from Vishnu Sahasranama, Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama to Tatulyam Ramanama Varene. Ra and Ma are second and fifth of Devanagari alphabet. Hence Rama is 10 into 10 into 10 is equal to 1000. Mahatma Gandhi stated that it must be our endeavor to make Bharatam a Ramarajya, a nation with excellent government, promoting prosperity, peace, discipline, and a harmonious bend of the material and spiritual lives. The Ramayana lays stress on good government, a subject which has assumed great importance in government industry and public institution. It is our duty and responsibility to hand over our experience to our next generation, whether it is our rituals, culture, art, agriculture, etc. Then only future and upcoming generation can understand the importance of our culture, family, unity, love among family members. Then only we can build a society of new generation with ability, efficiency and cultured society. Hope this complete 1 month running virtual program will get a lot of popularity among all Hindu families, and they will come forward to join hands with our organization to spread out our Hindu Sanatana Dharma from this auspicious and holy Ramayana Masam. Once again, namaste to all of you. Swami Sharanamayyappa.